The Banxye heated cat shelter large gives outdoor and garage cats a genuinely roomy hideaway, with enough interior space for multiple small cats or a single big cat to stretch out comfortably. Its heated pad and insulated claw-resistant walls do an impressive job of holding warmth in cold weather while keeping moisture out, so cats stay cozy instead of damp. The shelter is clearly built for harsh conditions, with a waterproof roof, raised base, and secure straps and stakes that keep it stable in rain, snow, and strong wind. Thoughtful safety touches like dual escape doors with magnetic flaps, chew-resistant wiring, and an automatically protected heating element make it feel much safer than many basic outdoor cat houses. Assembly is refreshingly simple because the structure folds open without tools, and the removable, machine-washable liner makes cleanup easy for long-term use. Extras such as the roof window for quick check-ins and sunbathing, plus a small built-in toy, show that the design considers both the cat's comfort and the owner's peace of mind.